As our area sees a concerning rise in coronavirus cases, local health experts are warning don't let the second wave become a tsunami. CBS News' John Diaz has more.
Signs are pointing that this is about to get worse.
Strong words spoken by the president and CEO of University Hospital in Newark, New Jersey. He says the second wave in much of the tri-state area is here.
When you start to hit levels of 3-4% positivity, you can expect even more admissions. And most concerningly, John, we did have one COVID-19 death last week for the first time in many weeks.
With a 90-day supply of PPE and a plan to separate positive patients from others, the hospital says it's better prepared this time around. But beds here are already almost at capacity, not just with COVID patients, rather people with other conditions getting care now since they were delayed because of the pandemic.
Those patients will have to, the other patients will have to delay their care even more.
With COVID cases in New Jersey soaring, the website COVID Act Now classifies several counties, including Essex, at risk of an outbreak. The daily positive rate has nearly doubled since last month.
It's scary, and I don't know how it's going to become.
Mage Williams and her boyfriend say they only leave the house if it's a necessity, like going to the doctor today, fearing they may close again.
I'm trying to do everything I can before it does shut down.
The Garden State and Connecticut technically qualify for the Tri-State Travel Advisory List, where travelers from states with rising infections must quarantine for 2 weeks. Governor Ned Lamont wants to ease the travel advisory rules, so fewer states are on the list. And today, Governor Murphy said,
don't gather indoors, even if it's your family, particularly concerned with holidays coming up.
And Governor Cuomo called the situation in New Jersey a problem, but said you can't limit access within the tri-state. And while commuters to New York will not have to quarantine, local leaders are urging people to avoid leisure travel. From Newark, New Jersey, John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
This just